This video will show you how to install the Xcluder Rodent-Proof Door Sweep. Xcluder door sweeps are available in several designs: standard, low profile, and Versaline with or without a cover. All are great solutions depending on your needs and the gap size under your door. The tools needed to install the Xcluder door sweep are a tape measure, pencil, square, hacksaw, heavy-duty shears, electric drill with number 1 Phillips bit, and either a number 2 Phillips bit or a 1/4" hex bit. For this video, we're installing an Xcluder Versaline door sweep, but installation steps for the Xcluder standard and low-profile door sweeps are exactly the same. If you have any questions about the installation process, contact us for assistance. First things first, be sure to wear your safety glasses and safety gloves. The door sweep should be installed on the exterior side of the door. Step 1. Measure the door. For an outswinging door, measure the distance between door jambs. For an in-swinging door, measure the distance between door stops. If necessary, cut sweep to fit the door. When cutting, we recommend using a hacksaw or cutoff wheel to cut through the aluminum retainer, and then using sturdy shears to cut the rubber and excluder filling. When cutting the retainer, it's okay to cut the top of the seal slightly. Be sure to cut straight so the end caps sit flush. If you are installing the Xcluder Versaline sweep with cover, cut the cover to the correct length as well. Step 2. Now install the end caps on the sweep using the included end cap screws. Install the end caps with the end marker touching the retainer. Use of a number 1 Phillips bit to drive these small screws is recommended. If you're using an electric drill for this step, be sure to use low torque and gear settings. Using an impact driver for this step is not recommended. Check to make sure the cap is securely fastened and the screw is properly seated in the screw hole. Step 3. Leaving a 1/16" gap under the rubber bulb is important to prevent binding. So with the door closed, place 2 coins or 1/16" shims on either side of the door as spacers. The incorporated rubber flap will protect this small gap. Place the sweep on top of the coins or shims. Center the sweep and press against door. If you are installing over a threshold without an adjustable seal, place coins or shims on top of the threshold instead of the floor. Step 4. Attach the sweep to the door using the included mounting screws. These screws can be driven using either a number 2 Phillips bit or a 1/4" hex bit. Start by loosely screwing in all the screws. Then tighten only the 2 outside screws. This will make minor adjustments much quicker. Step 5. Remove shims or coins and open and close the door several times to test if there is any excessive dragging or wedging. If necessary, loosen the screw on the side that drags and lift up slightly. Tighten it again and repeat by opening and closing the door until it is in the optimal position. Step 6. Tighten the remaining screws. If you are installing the standard, low profile, or Versaline door sweep without a cover, the installation of your Xcluder door sweep is now complete. If you are installing the optional cover on the Versaline sweep, trim to length if needed, as shown at the beginning of this video. Wipe the door sweep surface clean. Remove the backing from the pre-applied adhesive squares and note their locations. Carefully slide the cover down onto the sweep while holding the bottom of the cover away from the sweep. Align cover side to side, then press cover tightly against the sweep, making sure to press over the adhesive squares. Once fully adhered, it will be very difficult to remove the cover, so attach with care. The installation of your Xcluder Versaline door sweep with cover is now complete. Have other entry points that rodents and pests use to get inside? We have you covered. See our full list of proven exclusion products at buyxcluder.com.